Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Let's harvest some loofahs together. So as you can see here, I have one vine that actually died. So I have these brown ones in here. I've never let them get brown like this before, so I don't really know what the inside's gonna look like most of the time. I will harvest my loofahs when they look like this, when they're starting to get all these marks. These marks tell me that it's ready. So I will be harvesting this loofah today. Not this one though. Not that little baby one either. So to harvest it, I gotta go get my scissors. Oh, by the way, this is what a little sprout looks like. These are baby sprouts. So to harvest it, I just go in there and cut. Alright, so then I go in here and I take my scissors and I just cut. And there it is. It's very easy. That is how you remove a loofah from the vine. Oh my gosh, this is so big. And these guys, I don't know what these guys are gonna look like on the inside, so let's figure it out together. Okay, so I have never let a loofah get brown on the vine before, so we're gonna see what it looks like on the inside for the first time. Oh, it actually looks really nice. Wait, I was so scared it was gonna be like rotted. It's actually pretty easy to peel too. Maybe I should let this happen more often, because usually I peel them when they look like this. Maybe I'm doing it all wrong. Wow. Oh, it's a little loofah. Oh. Okay. I feel like maybe I could just shake out the seeds. No. Alright, I'm gonna rinse it the way I normally do. Break it up. Just so you can see what I'm doing. Well, I will say that was a lot easier with it being a darker color. I'm gonna try it one more time just to see if maybe I was just lucky with that one. Oh, I wasn't lucky. That's nicer. Wow. That was so much easier. Are you kidding me? Okay, well, I guess I'm gonna let them go brown on the vine now. That was insane. Oh my god. That took like, what, 2 minutes? How long is this video gonna be? Ooh, I will say though that the tip of this one is a little rotted, which was always my worry and why I always pick them when they're green, because I didn't want them to rot through. So what I've noticed is that when you pick them and they have brown spots like this, usually that brown spot reflects on the inside where the loofah is. And that's why I try to pick them before that could happen, because I don't want it to rot. I want it to be a nice looking loofah, you know? I mean, you could still use it with the brown spots, but it looks nicer when it's all one color. Okay, and then finally, I think I'm gonna let this one sit out for a few more days. Look at the size of this. Okay, so I just went and got a measuring tape. From tip to end is 18 inches. An 18-inch loofah, man, wow. That is so cool.